Hi, I'm Dr. Erika Woolsey. I'm a marine biologist and the chief scientist at the Hydrous, a nonprofit dedicated to ocean understanding. And here is our latest work, Coral Reefs, a Hydrous learning expedition. This all started with a grant from the National Geographic Society, and we've been testing and designing this education kit for years, and I'm so excited to share it with you. Let's take a look inside. Oh, here's one of my favorite parts. It's a 3D printed coral model that my team collected in Hawaii, where they took multiple photographs around the coral specimen and stitched it together into a 3D model. We also have a cardboard VR viewer that you can use with your smartphone. So how it works is you unfold it like this, and you take your smartphone and capture the QR code, which will take you to a 360-degree video that you can split screen and then put inside the viewer to have a immersive virtual dive on a coral reef in Palau. And this kit also comes with a fun Hydrous pin for you to wear. And when I wear it, it helps me remember to think about the ocean. It also comes with a dive journal, which is a place where you can write down your thoughts and observations. And it serves as a guide through your 6 different learning activities, which we call dives. So during your expedition, each of these tools will assist you on your dives. For instance, these coral reef cards will help you experience the ocean and make observations. Plus it comes with a cool wristband. And with these ecosystem cards, you'll be able to explore coral biology and ecology. And with the ocean stressor cards and the ocean initiative cards, you can engage with global solutions to protect and understand our beautiful and threatened ocean environments. You can join this learning expedition in small groups or on your own. And my hope is that it inspires you to make your own discoveries, think like a scientist, and share the ocean with others. Thanks for diving in with me.